Hello viewers. Today we will learn about the basic overview of Indian geography. India is one of the ancient civilizations in the world and has achieved multifaceted socio-economic progress in agriculture, industry, technology and overall economic development. To understand the location of India in the world, let's first discuss longitude and latitude. The imaginary horizontal lines drawn from west to east on the Earth's surface are known as latitude lines. The latitude line that divides the Earth into two equal parts is called the equator. The Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north and the Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degrees south are the key latitude lines. Longitude lines run vertically, connecting the north and south poles. Together, latitude and longitude lines help determine any place's locations. In terms of location, India lies in the northern eastern hemisphere. The Indian mainland is positioned between latitudes 8 degrees 4 minutes north and 37 degrees 6 minutes north and longitudes 68 degrees 7 minutes east and 97 degrees 25 minutes east. India is the seventh largest country in the world, covering a total area of 32,87,263 square kilometers, which constitutes approximately 2.42% of the total land area of the world. India measures 3,214 kilometers from north to south and 2,933 kilometers from east to west. The easternmost point of India is Kibithu, located in Arunachal Pradesh, while the westernmost point is Gohar Moti in Gujarat. The northernmost point of India is Indira Col in Siachen and the southernmost point is Indira Point in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The southernmost point on the mainland of India is Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu. India's land boundary spans approximately 15,200 kilometers. The coastline length, including the mainland and the islands Andaman, Nicobar and Lakshadweep, is approximately 7,516 kilometers, with the length of the coastline of the mainland being about 6,100 kilometers. India occupies an important strategic position in South Asia. It has 28 states and 8 union territories. The Tropic of Cancer divides the country approximately into two equal parts, passing through the states of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. Standard meridian is the longitude that determines a standard time for the whole country. The standard meridian of India is 82 degree 30 minute east, which is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. Standard meridian passes through the states of Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. India shares its international land boundaries with Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh. In terms of marine boundaries, Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Palk Strait and the Gulf of Mannar, while the 8-degree channel separates the Lakshadweep of India from the Maldives Islands. Can you tell us in comments which Indian state shares the longest international border? Subscribe the channel for the more content. For more information regarding this topic, visit our website www.terrantime.in. Thanks for watching.